There is nothing that is as interesting as when you see a token that you are holding about to get that listing on a major exchange. In fact, that is one of the joy of all miners, airdroppers, whatever then you call it. Look at it right here on BitGate. We have Zoo. This is 18 hours to go right here and is going to go live. First of all, let me congratulate all of you that is on this very airdrop. Congratulations. No matter your location, at least this airdrop is getting listing. What we should be praying for right now is that the listing should not be dust, like one of the airdrop in my mind right now that I'm going to show you by the end of this very video. So listing is coming down. As you can see, the countdown begins, and this is going to be very amazing, especially for those of us that have a good quantity of this very Zoo token. And I believe I should be wrong on Zoo price prediction. The reason is because if I am right, then a lot of you guys, your token valuation in dollar is going to go right down, and that will not be funny. So I want you guys to benefit, especially you guys that put in more effort into this very airdrop and now it's getting listing. There is nothing wrong with this token doing very, very well all the way to the upside, and that would be my joy. However, I still stick with my price prediction because that is very realistic from the research I have done so far, technically and fundamentally. The most important thing is that the listing is now counting down 18 hours plus few minutes, and is going to go down, and all of us are going to see what the price turned out to be. But to be in the side of the community, things should go up. Okay, let's be very optimistic that the market will move upward above my prediction, even though I am sticking with my price prediction. So this is very important, guys. And one important thing here is if you come to this very search bar and search for taps, okay, this is one of the devastating airdrop I have seen. This token gets the listing and we just see this very movement upward and market begin to drop all the way to the downside. I mean, you guys that participated in Tapswap, okay, this is Tapswap listed. That was on the 17th of this month. That was few days ago. That was last week to be precise. And market is already coming back down. Look at this very point was the listing price right here. This is 0.202. And the allocation was super small, and market moved a little bit upward to this very price level of 0.017, as you can see at this very point. However, market spiked to this very point, but you cannot catch this price, as we all know, and then market begin to drop all the way to the downside, or if there is anything we can call it, is nothing more than a dust. Look at it. You know that the allocation was very small. So if you have 1,000 of this very token, and if we consider the highest price, let's say you sell at the highest price right here, which is 0.017, that means this token did not worth anything. If you have 1,000 of this very token, multiply this by 0.017, that is $17. That is nothing. And for those that have 5,000, this is just $85. But I don't think a lot of people have this quantity. What I saw mostly was 100 allocation. I see people get 50 multiplied by 0.017. This is a complete nothing, not even up to $1 after many months of mining. That is why I always advise when you are doing an airdrop, you do it with an open mind. Okay, things can move up, it can be juicy, things can go south, it can be very, very bad, and this is super important. So if you want to put a ton or dollars into any airdrop at all, please consider your risks. Will you be willing to lose that very amount? If you can't afford to lose that amount, please don't put it right there. It's not advisable, and this is super important so that you don't over risk and thinking that the market or that coin is going to do well when it hits the market or major exchanges and it did not do well. That is always very devastating. So Tapswap is a complete dust after many months of waiting and mining. The most important thing here is this very Zoo airdrop that is getting this listing a few hours from now, and the countdown now begins. So congratulations once again if you are on this very airdrop and you already have your allocation. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification if you have not subscribed, and check the channel, the description, and also in the pinned comment, join our Telegram channel with the link below. Thanks for your support.